Hey everybody, hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Evelyn. I'm one of the beauty influencer. I do makeup videos, product reviews and DIY and all that other jazz. So in today's video, I wanted to show you guys something I've been using for nearly a month now, and I was quite skeptical about this myself as well, and the way my response or my personal experience has been with this whole process, I just wanted to share with you guys. So before we actually get into this video, I just want to say to you guys, if you are new, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, so every time I'm posting a video you will get a notification. So yeah, let's just not waste any more time and get into this video. This is going to be a very vocal video, so I'll be telling you and showing you exactly how the whole experience, how the device works and everything. So yeah, let's just get into this video. And let me show you guys. It's from a brand called Silk N. This is how it looks like. So I'm just gonna show you guys. That's the device. If you look, this is where you're gonna see the beep and the light coming out. That's the plugin is right here, and this all the switches are just this one switch is operating the whole thing, changing the settings, changing from intensity of the beep to everything is just gonna happen from here. So that is the device, and it's so easy to use. I must say, when I opened it and I started using it first time, I couldn't figure out how to do the beep for a very long time, and I was like, why this is not working? Is it faulty? What's wrong with it? And then I looked at one of the other YouTube videos from Silk and just to find out why it's not working. I was actually doing it wrong. So I'm going to show you why, if you purchase this and you try to do it, and if it doesn't work for you, why it doesn't work for you, what are you doing wrong. So I've been using this device for how long? 4 weeks now, and I've been using this on my whole face and my underarms. So on my face, I have to tell you guys, it's been like so I've done 4 sessions, so I'm doing it once a week. If you have a less facial hair and a very thin facial hair, I will highly recommend you to do it every 2 weeks. But if you are Asian like me and you have a very thick, very dark black hair, then you might want to do the treatments every week. So I'm actually doing it every week on my face and on my underarms. I haven't started it anywhere else yet, but I just wanted to see how everything goes. I have to tell you, on my face I barely have any hair at all. I have a few really like stubborn ones right here. They are the ones which I've been tweezing the most, so they are super hard. Otherwise I have no facial hair whatsoever. Before you use the device, you have to make sure your skin is absolutely clean and you do not have any sort of product on your skin at all. Means like no facial mist, no oils, creams, nothing. So basically just wash your face, completely clean your face, towel dry, and then you are ready for your treatment. So we're just gonna begin. So if I'm looking on this side of the camera, it's just because I have my monitor there and just want to make sure I'm on focus so you can see exactly how this device works. So I have the device plugged in, as you can see, and I'm just going to, if you can see the back of the ring, you will see the lights flashing. It just shows it's ready to use. And if you press the thing, you will start hearing this sound. This will sound like somebody just turned a fan on or something. This sound also sound like it when you have the internal fans come on your laptops or computers. This is how it sounds like. Now, depending how strong you want your intensity, you just have to keep pressing this button. I like to use it all the way up because of the thickness and the kind of hair I have. So I'm just going to keep pressing this. See, now as I'm pressing, the green light is moving. So that just shows it's 3, then 4, and 5 all the way is up. This is how I like to use it. I like to use it all the way up. Then you're going to do is, one thing you need to remember is never ever test out the product facing yourself, because if you do that, the laser will go in your eyes, the blink will be so powerful, you won't be able to see properly for a good couple of hours. So make sure the device is always facing away from your eyes. So, and especially when you're doing your face yourself too, you just have to make sure before you press the button for the click, the device is rightly placed where you want it to be placed, basically. So let's just begin. I'm gonna do this side of my face first. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start from the bottom. This is okay. If you just gently hold the device and then press the thing, it's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. That's what I was doing it. So you have to push the device in a little bit and then wait. Push the device and then okay, what's going on? So you have to push the device and then press. As you can see, it takes a minute for you to adjust it, but once you know where you want it, you just have to push and then press when you're ready. It makes a very subtle sound of like a plug, and it's nothing too loud or anything. The most sound probably will be from the fan than the actual click. So if your device is not placed properly, the beep won't work. So you will know you will have to keep moving the device around just to see if this works or not. What I like to do is I like to divide my face into 4 sections, and then I go over that section twice. But it all depends on your hair growth and the kind of hair you have on your face. If it's light, I won't recommend you to do it twice. Depending, it's a lot depending on your own hair growth too. Okay, so I've done my first part of my face, so I'm going to do the second. And if you smell a little burning kind of smell, that's totally normal. It's not something to be worried about or anything, because this is how it's supposed to be. See, this is what I mean. If you don't place the device properly, the beep won't work. If you never used the device before, or if you never had the hair treatments before, you might feel like it's a little hot on your skin, and it might feel a little tingle like somebody's pinching you, which is totally normal. I have to say this device is actually not as powerful as the treatments I had in the past. Those were, you will really feel like you're getting IPL, because those were really intense and they used to make my skin really red afterwards too. So this device is, compared to those treatments, is very mild. You know where I have the most thickest hair? That's where when I do the bleach, it actually smells the most, because it's literally killing that root. My full face done. And now I will just go over on the areas where I know I have the most hardest hair, and I will just put like a few more beeps to make sure I have all the areas are fully covered. So yeah, but I have to tell you, and just to turn this off, we just do keep pressing the thing and hold it and it will turn off. So yeah, that's all done. It is pretty loud from a fan perspective, from a beat perspective is pretty fine. So this is my full face, is totally done. Absolutely, like my face is feeling slightly warm right now, but that's totally normal for me. Usually I used to get even worse redness than what I have right now. You will see most redness I have is around where I have the spot marks and everything, but otherwise I'm pretty looking okay in my rest of my face. So in 20 minutes I had my full face done, including my chin and a little bit of my neck. And yeah, so that's what looks like. That's how easy it is to use at home. This product, this particular brand what I'm using, definitely works. If you use it properly to the instructions, then it definitely works. If you do this regularly, I can definitely guarantee you will start seeing the results within a month. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, as always, just leave it in the comment section below, and I'm happy to answer all your questions. If you want to know some specific information about this particular brand or this particular product, just leave your comments in the section below and I will be happy to answer all your questions about this. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, take care, and be safe. Still be safe, be positive, and take care of your physical and mental health. And see you next time. Love you all. Take care. Bye.